Welcome everyone. This is another update on the construction. It's March 6th. As you can see, we have a lot of progress. We just painted most of the gym ceiling, got some walls. We also have a drain pipe going to the future coach room, and some of the sides and the wall is already finished painting. We still have some of the pieces, but we cannot finish it until we've closed the foam pit area. Well, our in-ground foam pit and the trampoline, as you can see, is on very good timeline. They're done with the walls. They need some floor to put concrete over it, and it also needs another layer of concrete on top. But other than that, it's almost done. As you can see, here's another view of the ceiling and painted area. Here's Sasha. Here's another view from the south view of the pit. As you can see, it's quite a big project. And the trampoline is not done yet. This is the huge drain pipes, quite a big project to get some water. Well, this is not the view of the building. It is located behind the lobby, and it's going to be our what we call little gym area, where we have tots, dance groups, and parent and me classes. We are planning to do that here. I believe they passed the framing inspection today, so they're ready to put sheetrock on. The wiring is almost done. We're also installing another air conditioning unit here, and ceiling is going to be painted as well. So that's another view of it. Standing actually on the east side of the building, looking towards the garage doors. That's the west side of the building. So again, small gym area. All this is the lobby area. As you can see, we have a lot of space in the lobby, which is great. Well, this is it for now. It's again March 6, 2012. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.